Let's visit my local Dollar Tree and see all of the items I would use for refinishing. The first thing I found is this pack of brushes. I'd use these for stenciling. This next one is a great mix of artist brushes. Spray adhesive, I can always use that. I use it for stenciling. Ooh, chalk markers. These are cool. They write great over, guess what? Chalk paint. Air dry clay to fill your molds with. Popsicle sticks for stirring resin. I brought these home. Some hot glue sticks. You can also use these for filling your molds with. Oh, picking tools. I use these for when I make things with my Silhouette vinyl cutter. These were pretty cool. A wheel of stencils, and they also came in different designs. My workspace has metal storage cabinets in it, so anything with magnets on it is great for organizing out there. Little magnetic tins and magnetic clips as well. This was cool, a bendy ruler, because sometimes I need to measure or make straight lines over not straight surfaces. Oh, a receipt book, because we gotta keep books, right? I use these little caddies to organize my paint brushes and my hardware as well. It's not anything fun, but we always need packing materials for shipping. Might as well get it on a budget. These are cool. I use glue dots for adhering drawer liner. They're removable as well. Foam brushes and daubers. Quality's not great, but you throw them away anyway. Always need chip brushes. I use them for oil-based products and throw those away too. Can never have enough sanding sponges. These scraping tools are cool. I use them for scraping stripper off when I'm stripping a dresser top. I use razor blade scrapers for everything. Scraping paint off mirrors after I paint them. Felt pads. I put these on the bottom of my feet for customers before delivering. Needle nose pliers. These have come in handy a lot lately with working on jewelry boxes. Oh, tape measures, of course. Stain pens for occasional touch-up. Tiny screwdrivers for tiny screws. Sandwich bags. I use these for storing my paintbrushes overnight if I need to use them again. Cleaning gloves to keep your manicure in good shape. And scouring pads. These came in different grits. Who uses this cleaner? It smells terrible, but it really is effective. Spray bottles. I use these for mixing white lightning. Gotta have Dixie cups when you're pouring resin. Paper plates, or as I like to call them, artist palettes. Clear plastic cups are a must for mixing resin as well. These Rubbermaid take-alongs I use for cleaning my hardware in or mixing custom colors into. Little trays and frames. You can pour them with resin or use wood you bend and make really cute designs out of them. This mirror frame was cool. Cool things like sand and glass beads you can use for filling resin with. I've used sand for making a beach scene, or the glass beads are great for making geode designs. Silk florals, you need plenty of those. Most of these were pretty ugly, but there were a few that you could pick out that aren't that bad. A makeup brush cleaner, I use these for cleaning my paintbrushes. Makeup brushes are great for painting with as well. Use them in place of artist brushes. Silicone kitchen tools, because resin and paint won't stick to them, they clean up nicely. I love silicone basting brushes for using with patina paint. They give a really cool industrial look. Measuring cups are great for mixing white lightning or resin as well, and baby spoons because you can stir and throw them away. Thanks for joining me on my Dollar Tree run. You can find more Brush by Brandy on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube.